Hi, and welcome to Sewing Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to change the needle stop position and the initial needle position on the Brother CE1125PRW. When you turn your machine on, it's going to default to stitch number 00, which is needle in your left hand position. If you want the machine to default to center position, which is stitch 01, you're going to turn your machine off. You're going to hold the plus button right here. Hold it while you turn the machine back on. Now it's going to default to stitch 1, which is needle in the center position. Even if I turn the machine off and I turn it back on, it's going to stay at stitch 01. If you want it to default back to stitch 00, which is needle in the left hand position, you're going to do the same thing again. Turn the machine off, hold the plus button while you turn it back on. Now it will default again back to stitch 00, which is needle in left hand position. All right, your needle stop position is where the needle stops when you take your foot off the foot controller. Right now, it is set to stop in the up position. So when I sew and I stop, the needle stops up out of the fabric. There are times when you'll want it to stop down. For instance, if you're chain piecing, for a quilt, a lot of people would want that needle to stop in the down position. The way to do that is turn the machine off. You're going to press and hold the minus sign on the left-hand side. Press and hold it while you turn the machine back on. Now when I start to sew and I stop, the needle will stop down. To reverse it so it stops up again, just repeat the process. You're going to turn the machine off, press and hold the minus sign, turn the machine back on while you're holding it, and now it'll stop up. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and thank you for watching Sewing Bites.